My name is Tim Rupprecht, and this is a database for historic U.S. election campaigns. From the UML document on the right, you can see there are two super entities, the document and topic class. Positions come from documents. They have the black diamond indicating that a document needs to exist before there are positions that come from that document. Current events, political entities, and elections are all types of topics and have a one-to-one relationship with the parent class topic. A topic can also just be a topic, like an ideological concept or topic, like foreign policy or freedom of speech. Political entities endorse each other and have positions that refer back to different topics. Political entities have the mandatory or specialization for the subtypes politician, newspaper, political party, or political organization. This is the EER diagram. You can see topic class has a master ID that is inherited for each subentity, and that it is at least in part the primary key for each of the subentity tables. The document table and position table also have unique integer IDs and are the primary key for their respective tables. The refers to table ties position IDs to topic IDs, and together that pair is the primary key for its table. A majority of these tables are all created in third normal form, as far as I can tell, but they are all definitely at least first normal form. And I explain in the final report why I chose to leave elections in second normal form. I implemented my database using MySQL Workbench running on Windows 10. The client / middleware uses Python, and that's running on Bash for Windows. I'm not sure if it really counts as middleware because I chose to use a client server architecture as opposed to a more advanced 3-tier system. And I chose to do this because I wanted to incorporate this command line tool into future natural language processing experiments I intend to do as a matter of my research. So I'm less interested in hosting this data on a website or as some sort of application that others can link to. And I'm more so just interested in setting up a database on my look-back port and using my client software to speak to the database hosted locally. For this first example, I'm just going to load data into the database by calling the load data script. You can see right now that these tables are empty in the workbench. And now I'm going to call the load data script, and those are the SQL statements to the storage procedure, and then the output. For every row you input, it outputs the row you just inputted. And you can see those in the table now. I'm going to do the next example. It's a update and read, and I'm only using the user functions. So we're going to use the script get endorsements, and we're going to see a misspelling here for Ronald Reagan instead of Reagan. We're going to exit this script, and we're going to call a second script called fix name, and we're going to input the old name, Ronald Reagan, replace it with Ronald Reagan, and then we will see the change when we call get endorsements again. You see it's successfully updated. In this third example, we're going to delete a document from the documents table and see it cascade into the positions table. So here are the documents. See document 1 there. And then you see in the positions table some positions from document 1. And now you're going to call the script delete document. We're going to delete the first one, Nixon's checkers speech. And then we're going to see in the documents table that speech is gone, ID 1, document ID 1, and its respective positions are absent now from the positions table. Okay. This final example is a cool example of the read functionality. We're going to take the election results in the database that you see in this table here, and we're going to visualize them using one of our user scripts. We're going to call get election results .py. Those are the election results, and This is a better and cooler visualization. You see the state abbreviation and the vote totals. And for some reason, you can turn on and off different states. Thank you, Professor Durant and the TAs. I'm very excited to add databases to my engineering tool belt.